Good morning, everyone. It's Mr. Martin here with your grammar for today, Friday, the 8th of May, 2020. So we're going to go ahead and close out this passage today with our last couple of questions. Remembering that we are revising, so we're doing arms. Oop, let me make it clear, sorry. Still a little blurry. There we go. Which is add, remove, move, and substitute, okay? Our central idea, the different types of kangaroos and what types are known for. What the different types of kangaroos are known for. So we have our last two questions. Let me go ahead and turn to those. Question number 5 and question number 6 today. All right, let's read question number 5. It says, what is the best concluding statement to add to the end of this selection? Concluding statement means that it is the conclusion, the ending part of our passage. So we're not introducing any new what? Any new information, correct. All the information that will be introduced here should be something we've already discussed, nothing new, okay? So let's go back and read that last paragraph so we can kind of get an idea of how we should conclude it. So I'm gonna just read the last bit. Okay, I've really enjoyed doing this, which was researching kangaroos. I've never realized how much there was to learn about kangaroos, okay? So kind of wrapping up that he enjoyed researching and that Thatch learned so much about kangaroos, okay? A, I've learned a lot about these animals, including some of the things they can do and different kinds of kangaroos there are. Okay, I think that kind of sums up a little bit. Some people choose to raise kangaroos as pets, but these animals require a lot of space and special care, which few people can provide. It wasn't really talking about raising them, and that will be introducing a new information at the end. We don't really do that. Kangaroos continue to be very popular and have appeared as cartoon characters, sports team mascots, and even more stars. Well, he was saying how he enjoyed researching, but not telling you about how kangaroos were popular. I think this would be something that would be more in the beginning of the passage, not the end. Kangaroos can be dangerous. They can defend themselves by kicking with powerful back legs. Okay, this is true, but this would have gone in where he was giving you descriptions about like what they could do, not at the end. Excuse me. So I think the only correct answer would be A, because it's summarizing him enjoying learning things and learning about what they could do and the different kinds of kangaroos. And if you wanted to check that, we could go back to our central idea, the different types of kangaroos and what types are known for, what they can do. Different kangaroos, what they can do. Same thing, all right? So what are we gonna put for our IKB? I'm gonna give you about 30 seconds. I have an idea for mine, but I want you to do yours first. What are you gonna put for your IKB there? So I'm gonna put I know because A is the best summary of the passage without adding new information. So A is the best summary of the passage without adding new information. There was no new information added there, so that will be the best one, okay? Let's go ahead, question number 6, last one. Which sentence does not belong in the paper? So it does not belong meaning it doesn't make sense or it's off topic. Generally, when you have revising questions like this, they're off topic. So which sentence was off topic? So we got to go back and read maybe the sentence before or after each of these to see what the context is, meaning where it fits in. So let's read sentence number 7. There is more than just one type of dog too, okay? Is this passage talking about dogs or is it talking about what? Kangaroos, right? Dogs were not mentioned at any point during here. So I think that one's kind of doesn't belong, right? Put a question mark next to it. Let's go to sentence number 8. Some things kangaroos do are hard to believe. Large ones can travel. Okay, well, it's talking about kangaroos and it's telling me what they can do. That's fine. That fits in with the sentence. Let's do 16. These kangaroos are small compared to others. So the rat kangaroos are another kind. These kangaroos are small compared to others. That's fine. We're talking about different types of kangaroos. That's what the passage was about. Let's look at 19, last one. These are the biggest ones, okay? Which ones were the biggest? It says, the two kinds of kangaroos most people picture when they hear the word kangaroo are the red and gray kangaroos. These are the biggest ones. I think that's fine. The only one that doesn't make sense is F, right? And this should be an easy IKB, for about 20 seconds. How do you know F is incorrect? What's wrong with F? So I know because this passage isn't about dogs, okay? All the other things are talking about kangaroos, and this one talks about dogs. This passage is not about dogs. So we know it is sentence number 7. All right, well, that wraps up our grammar for this week. Please, please, please make sure that you have filled out the Google document that your teacher put on Google Classroom so you can get your credit for watching the videos as well as completing the grammar. Thanks so much for listening and watching this morning. We have one more week of grammar and then it's summer break, all right? So be ready on Monday morning. I'll be here with another grammar passage for the week. Have a great day, great Friday, and enjoy your weekend, guys. Miss y'all.